Hey guys, welcome to this video. So you're probably here because you want to know how you can trade and automate your trading so you can go out and live your life. You want something in your trading view or in your system that can have the ability to make money for you by not wasting too much of your time, and you don't want to sit next to the chart all the time. So the agenda from this video, you're probably here from TikTok or Instagram or in my community where I explain and show my profit and losses or on YouTube. So I want to welcome you to this video, and in this video I'm going to take you through what MTP is, Market Trend Pro, which is an indicator or a strategy or a system that you insert into TradingView, and I'm going to show you how it works, and I'm going to show you how to set up your own. So you can set up your own. I just I want to be clear and transparent. This is a system that I'm selling, and I'm not, if you can still do it yourself. You can do it yourself and you can use it yourself. I'm affiliated with the company, and I'm affiliated with the creator of this system and with the developers. So I'm just want to be transparent and honest with you, but in my experience, this is one of the best systems that that I've used that I can trust my money with. So just to make that clear, this is for long-term investing, and this is for people that don't want to sit next to the chart all day long. So the agenda for this video is what is MTP, how it works, and how you can set up your own. So MTP is basically an indicator, a system that you insert into TradingView. So if you go to TradingView and you press indicators right here, and you write strategy, right? You have a bunch of strategies that are here, and so many of them are free, and so many of them you can get access to and get paid. You can pay the creator of them, and you can see how many people are using it, and you can see the reviews of them also. Some indicators are private, others are free. So the thing you want to do is, let me just block this out. The thing you want to do is, if you just choose one indicator, it doesn't matter, I choose the first one. You choose the indicator, and here you can see how the indicator works. It will tell you where to buy, where to sell, where to buy, where to sell, and how much of the profit it is. It also gives you a diagram in the bottom. Sorry, I'm in the way. It also gives you a diagram in the bottom here, and you can see, let me put myself over there. And you can see the profits and the trades and the losses that this system is taking, right? And you can just choose one system, or you can create your own. You can create your own by just writing to ChatGPT, and in ChatGPT there is something called TradingView Indicators Creator. You can create your own strategy. TradingView, it's called like this. Let me just press on it. TradingView Indicator and Strategy Developer. You can communicate with this ChatGPT AI tool that can create strategies for you that you can insert into TradingView. And when you do that, you can adjust and tweak and fix it so you can um, have higher P&L and have higher profitable trades and have a higher profitable profit factor. And then again, it's all depending on your strategy. It's all depending on what works for you in the market. And you can use, some people use it in a 1 minute time frame, some people use it in a higher 50-minute time frame. This strategy is for long-term investing. It's still is Let me just remove it. This is why I enjoy this, because I don't need to be sitting next to the market all day long. You can also, if you press on this, I'm jumping back and forth, but just deal with it. You can also, if you go to the strategy report of this strategy, you can see how much of a profit this will give us, right? If I go to, and this is focused basically, excuse me, this is focused on S&P 500, the main symbols that we usually invest in for the long run. So it's not scammy meme coins or cryptos. You can also use it on these things, right? But we want to focus on the the funds or the indexes that we usually invest in without even knowing. But this helps us invest in a way that makes us have more control out of it by using this strategy. So I'm gonna be jumping back. I'm gonna be jumping back and forth right here. I'm sorry about that. So you can see the screen. So you have US 500, S&P 500. We have things like Nasdaq and the DAX and Nikkei, and you can just see on all of them. You can adjust your win rate. Let me just show you. So you can choose how to take profit. You can go down here and you can choose take profit. If you take profits in the system, you're basically puking the system a bit because you're lowering your P&L for the year. This is on a yearly basis. So this is, just to be honest, this is on one symbol. So if you take profits, it will tell you when to take profit. Like look in this area right here. It told us to buy, it told us to buy, but we basically are interrupting the system by taking profits. We want to have a trailing stop all the way because we don't know what's happening in the market, right? We don't know what Trump is going to say and what he's going to do, and maybe the market spikes up or maybe it spikes down. But the spiking up of the markets, we're always it seems like we're always too late to the party, right? But then with this system, you're never too late to the party because you have entered like for 6 months ago, so you're trailing your stop loss and you're always in profit, basically what I'm saying. Not always. Future profit doesn't guarantee future success, future success in the system. So this tells you, okay, if I close the take profit, I get up to about 70% a year. And I choose the symbols that I'm comfortable with, that I'm investing for me, for my children, for the long term investing. And just to be clear, this is not a money maker, this is a money multiplier. You have to have money in to have the money grow. You can't start with zero using this strategy. So in Germany, so the Nikkei did great this year and it keeps going up. Unfortunately, I missed these entries. And Bitcoin is not yet, it didn't tell me yet to buy on Bitcoin. So you can use it on Bitcoin, you can use it on like gold, did amazing this year, right? Gold and silver did amazing this year. And let me just show you, this is so amazing. So we didn't take profit on gold, right? But it's still going up. But if you wanted to take profit on gold, let me show you where it took profit. Right here on the top. And I even wrote it in the Discord. Like, did some of you take advantage of this? Because it took profit before the dip, which is amazing. And you have OMX, Swedish, you have the Nasdaq, Singapore. These are all not sketchy or scammy symbols that we're using. We're using symbols that we already trust with our money before even knowing about the system. That's our goal creating this. So what's the next on the agenda is how you can use it by yourself. So basically, what I described here, and it also only works best on the daily chart. So the trick of this is to not watch it, to not see it, to not engage with the market. So what you want to do is you want to press on the system right here, and in the alerts, no, not this one, in the three dots right here, you press on this, and you press add alerts. When you add alerts, every time the system is about to sell, about to buy, this is a buying system. This is not going short because we're um, we're using the future, the past of the market to win the future by by knowing that the market is always going up, right? The market is always bullish, but there are drawdown periods, and these drawdown periods, we don't want to be a part of them. We want to be a part of the bull run always, and the bull run is coming. You can see on Bitcoin, on silver, on Ethereum, not on silver, sorry, on Ethereum, on the cryptocurrencies, the bull run has not yet started. So basically, you set up an alarm and you get a message to your email connected to this to TradingView, to your account, and it tells you what you need to do, right? It tells you what you need to do. Order filled, and you can also connect your broker to TradingView, and it can take trades and uh, and take your trades automatically, which I don't It's not necessary really because it just takes 5 minutes a month to just set a trade. So what I'm doing is I'm setting a trade. I can set a trade on TradingView and I can set a trade on my broker. It doesn't matter. But I'm using futures. I'm not using CFD, by the way, because CFDs cost a lot because it's going over the weekend and over the days. And CFDs, the fees from the CFDs really eat through your profits. And this is what MTP is. This is what Market Trend Pro is. This is how it works. You set it up and you choose your settings, what you want to do, and there are recommended settings that you can just copy these settings that I'm using, and you just let it run, and you can see that I'm inside three positions right now. On the DAX, we're up $2,000. On Nasdaq, I'm at break even, I would like to say, because it told me to buy the dip, and I bought the dip a bit too late, unfortunately, but still. You can, this is where it tells you to enter right here, right? And it tells you to put your stop loss down here. And you have your profits trailing all the way up. This is what this is what it does. It tells you to buy, it tells you to put your stop loss. It tells you to buy, it will tell you where to put your stop loss, and so forth and so on. And on in S&P 500, I'm on drawdown right now because I unfortunately I missed these trades, and you don't have to hurry up to run to your computer as soon as you get an email because it's on a daily chart. It's on a daily candle. So when you get to an email, you're out doing groceries, you can just come home and easily take the trade. So that's how it works. And I'm not here to sell you something. I'm here to show you that you can do it by yourself. You can go to ChatGPT, you can enter the strategy you want, you can copy the code. Sorry, I didn't mention it. You copy the code that the TradingView writes, and you can go here, indicator, and you can create your own indicator. I'm not sure where my scripts, create script. You can put the Pine script right here, and you can create your own script right here. And you don't need to make it hard. Just explain the strategy to TradingView and you insert the script right here on your TradingView. And when you do that, you just add the name to it, you publish it, and you see your script right here, my favorites or my personal scripts. And you can adjust and schedule to that. This is how it works. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the group chat, in the comments, and what you need. And I'll be sure to ask and answer as much as I can outside of my experience in this. Have an amazing day.